Dear students, today I am going to start the new chapter, new topic in English practice is adjectives. That is called also describing words. So in this section we will know what are this adjective and what are the or describing words and where we use and what are they what. So I will give you also list of some describing words. So here the words which describe nouns are called the describing words or adjectives. Nouns, that means the name of, as you know, the name of place, person, place, things, that are animals, that are the nouns. So the words which describe nouns, focus on it. The words which describe noun, good or bad, it doesn't matter, are called describing words or adjectives. Like tall, which is the word describing word, adjective, good, soft, sweet, kind, etc. So name of colors and number are also called the adjectives. Like a rainbow has 7 colors. So there are 7 weeks in 7 days in a week. So these are also called the describing words. So here is the given, circle the adjectives and underline the noun. So the young boy. How is the boy? The boy is young. So boy, young is a describing word and boy is noun. And here I am watching an interesting film. So the what is the here is noun film. And how is he? It is a interesting. So interesting, the film is interesting. So it is described about film. The interesting word comes here for film. So my sister reads funny stories. So story is a noun, a stories. And how is it? It is, these are the funny stories. So funny is a describing word for story. It was a blue butterfly. Butterfly is here blue color, the name of color. It is also describing word. And he pasted some colorful stamps. So stamps is a noun and this is the name of things, and colorful. So here is given some list of describing words, adjectives like a kind, strong, tough, pretty, beautiful, helpful, cute, ugly, bad, heavy, fat, thin, tall, intelligent, honest, hot, soft, naughty, long, curly, sweet, smart, brave, clean, big, new, small, foolish, clever, and more. There are so many words which we can use to describe nouns, but here is some words I have given for you. And the next is here in the exercises is given. There is in your book there is given exercises, which is based on adjective. So here is also all words which describe the naming words are called describing words. So here is the first is given on the answer, a big elephant. The elephant is here. Elephant is a name of animal. And how is it? It is a big. Next is it is a peak of fox. So fox, generally fox is clever, a clever fox. Rabbit. So what will we use for rabbit? Here is a naughty, black, big, clever, soft. A soft rabbit. Here is a monkey. So monkey we can't use for naughty bear, but we can use naughty monkey. A monkey is naughty. And here it is a black bear, so it is a black bear. So it describes the things, animals, name, person. Here is also is given, works with your partner. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks using words from the helping box. These are words like a soft, hot, old, fat, heavy, beautiful, red. These are the describing words. We have to fill it in the blanks. So Sweta picked up a dash bag. So bag is looks heavy. So heavy, heavy bag. Mrs. Sharma is an dash. She is looking old, old lady. Rahul is a dash boy. Rahul is a how? Fat boy. Ayush likes to drink hot milk. My uncle brought a beautiful dress. So these are the, and here is also, I gave dash flowers to my mother. I gave red flowers to my mother. So read about Gitu and underline the words which describe her. This is a Gita. So it is a here is given some here is some words which is used to describe Gita. So this is a Gita. She is tall and thin. How is she? She is tall and thin. She has long and black hair. She is 8 years old. She has chubby cheeks. She likes to sing and play, and she is a sweet girl. To all the like a tall, thin, long, black, 8 numbers are also chubby, sing, play, sweet. These are all the sorry, sing or play not. Chubby chick, sweet girl. These are the describing words which used to describe a person. So some are things, some words used for to describe person. Some type of words used to for to describe animals, things, and place. Also, or some words like a beautiful. Beautiful is a person. Beautiful is a place. Beautiful is thing. So these words used for all the things. All to describe a person, place, and things. Also, you can describe. You can use for that. So some are particular word like a fat. Fat we can only use for person and animal. So these type of words we can use. So you will, here is also you can uh, describe your best friend also in this way. You will do it. You will describe your mother, father, your favorite things. So you will try to do it. uh, I will explain some more. I will give you some more examples in the class also. Okay, so it is very easy. You will try to do it yourself.